Hello everyone, and in this video I will guide you on how you can remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. First of all, start by opening your Temu application. If you want to remove the limit, simply tap on Support at the top right corner, then scroll down and tap on Contact Us at the bottom of your screen. Now select Remove Checkout Limits. This will give you two options. From here, choose No, I still want to remove the order limit. After that, you'll see an option to remove the restriction. Just follow the on-screen instructions and tap on Remove the Restriction. Once done, you'll receive a notification confirming that your order amount limit has been removed. You're now all set to proceed with your payment. Simply tap on Continue to Checkout. And if you have a large order amount, you'll be able to check out without any issues. So that's the only way you can remove Temu's minimum purchase limit.